All right, so here is part 2 of the project. Getting this little thing cleaned out, which shouldn't take too long. Um, First thing that I pulled out was this. I didn't want to go ahead and keep it. Honestly, I forgot I had it. This can go. I don't remember the last time I used that. Look, just empty boxes from that makeup shade lip collab with ColourPop. Tags that I don't need, so that's gonna go in the trash. Let me pull the trash out. Sorry guys, so that's the trash there. My feet. Oh, more lipstick. I totally forgot about this one. This is Maybelline's Electric Orange. This might be cute. I'll open that up in a second. It's hard to hold the phone and do that. Oh, a julep nail polish. I'll put this in with the rest of the nail polishes since it's nice and slender. Making some progress. A NYX lipstick. It's new. You can never have too many new lipsticks. Now here's a Dior liner that I could never figure out how to work. So no, that can go. Oh, these are those Sephora mirrors. Oh yes, I'm definitely keeping this. I've been looking for this. I remember they used to give these out a long time ago. They don't do it anymore. And then there's a bunch of just samples that can go in the trash because I have not used them. Except for this Glam Glow, and I actually might keep this. Because Glam Glow, as you guys all may know, is very expensive. No, I don't think I'll ever use that. Oh, I have a MAC strobe cream. Maybe I'll go ahead and hold on to that too. Trash. That was just some receipts from last year. I typically do have to hold on to them. No, I don't know what this is. And no. Okay, so we already got one side of that clear out. Oh, some Midol. That can go in the trash because I'm pretty sure that that is expired. And then this is like a little nail picker thing, which looks kind of gross, but it may still do the job. I'll just put it in with the nail supplies because I have a whole new nail drawer. Then I have a BB cream by Black Radiance that I honestly haven't used because it hasn't been my complexion, but I may, like when people ask me to do their makeup, I may be actually be able to use this on somebody that has a, well, hold on to that, a different complexion. Then this is 607 Bronze. Yeah, I'll hold on to my Mary Kay makeup just because sometimes it's hard to find certain people's shade. Oh, then my Bare Mineral. I've been looking for this. So yes, that's definitely getting kept. I feel like I'm shopping again. This is a Mother Mary Kay foundation in a darker shade. These benefit professional things. No. I don't know about this. This looks a little dried out. Wet n Wild. It's cheap. This I actually do use from time to time. So this can go in here with the lippies. And then there's this Airspun Loose Face Powder. I don't know, I can get this to somebody. I don't use it anymore, but I'll set it to the side. And this is just some more trash shades. Let me hold on to those, but I won't keep it in here. I'll put it in the bathroom. Dolce & Gabbana sunglasses thing. Foundation. Oh, this is the color I normally use, which is 504. See how dirty it is? But this used to be like my holy grail back when I used to sell Mary Kay. That was like the first foundation I really got into. What do you know? A needle for threading. I went and bought a whole pack, I think. Oh, okay, this is more lippy stuff. This is that golden, it like, you put it on your lips and it gets all sparkly. So I'll have to find a place for this just because it's like a whole kit in itself. What else do we have? Oh, no, just an empty wrapper for Tarte. Hair stuff, which we will find a place for. Oh, this is for when I do my, so this is just hair stuff, which I'll kind of put up here with the ponytail holders. How we looking? We almost finished. This one wasn't too bad. I think I might need that. This is a MAC. I don't even know what this is. This is back when I used to just buy stuff. Is this like a highlighter? I've not used this in forever. I don't want to toss it though, because it probably was expensive. Yes, I remember this. Full speed ahead, I bet. Focus. Okay, this don't want to focus, y'all, but this is like called, it's a Sheen Supreme, one of those orange matte lip glosses, and I can't open it. But it's like another orange color. I was like really into orange for a minute. So me and lippies. This is the Professional. Okay, I'll go ahead and just hold on to one of them. I didn't need that whole pack thing. This is like a crow. This is hair stuff, so that can just go in the hair pile because I have to find something to do with that. Perfume sample. And we'll get to that on another day. But yeah, we have a whole little section for perfumes. More hair stuff. And then a mascara that I don't find myself using, but it can go in the drawer. And then another air and perfume sample. We are almost done. That was fast. Nails, which can go in the nail drawer, which we already discussed is right there. Because I do wear those from time to time. Oh, a whole new pair. Oh, this is like a lash holder. Okay, we'll put that there. And okay, so it looks like we have perfume samples all right here. So what I'll do is I'll take those other ones and actually we can just keep the perfume samples there. Because that's a nice little spot for them. And then I thought, what the heck? Oh, just like a charger. You could put the USB cord in. Okay, but that does not need to be in here. Alrighty, so that is it for part 2, at least for this portion. Alrighty, so now we are on to this little baby. And as you can see, this needs to be going over here with like the nail polish and stuff that we started. This is just a whole set of press-ons. I was like really into those for a hot second. Not so much anymore for some reason. So I would say they go in the nail drawer, but we'll just sit them in front of the nail drawer for now because those are a little bulky. Just an empty box. Sometimes I get obsessed with keeping my wrappers if they're cute. Oh, this is just a nice little sample from Urban Decay. I'll have to try that. I think I'm gonna end up liking that color. So this can go with lippies. I actually kind of like how that looks in there. This is, what is it? So dusty. Okay, just another little compact mirror thing. So I should never complain about not having a mirror. So this can just go, I'll put that inside the drawer for now. These are just a couple pictures. Okay, I want to show people's business. This is for hair. So this will go in my bathroom with the hair stuff because I've been having a little pile for that. An old credit card. More, what is all this Claudio stuff? Well, this is more skincare. We'll just put that in the front. Hair stuff. Oh yeah, I like this. This is my facial cleanser that I was using, like a mask. Keys. So random, some of this stuff that's in here. Oh yeah, this is my alien lotion that came with my perfume, this sample. So I'm definitely keeping this because I love me some alien. If you don't have alien, get you some. And then this is by Avon. This is like a youth restoring anti-wrinkle moisture cream. So I definitely want to keep that because I was using it faithfully for a minute there. And then this is, what is this? Is anything even in here? Oh, coconut oil for I guess it could be for skin or hair. So set that to the side. This is the Alginist. I don't use that. Threw that away. Instant moisture cream from Sephora. around the gap. Okay, I may go ahead and try that. Now that I'm paying attention to it. This is Kiehl's Deep Cleansing Foam. Oh, I want to try this too. Look at me shopping in my own closet. Yes, I have been looking for this. This is so good. These are those like things you get in the mall for those people that sell the nail, like those people. They stand in the middle of the mall and they try to get you to do the sample of like filing the nail, but it really works. I really do like this. It leaves your nail like shiny and stuff. And I've been looking for this, so I'm so glad I found it. This can go over with the nail stuff. And then this is just a chapstick from Avon. Can never have too many chapsticks, right? This is for hair by Mazzani. What is this? Oh, this is a big sample. Hydrating Cream Face Wash by Skin Laundry. Anybody ever tried this? Hydrate, Nourish. Okay. So I got enough facial cleanser where I don't have to buy nothing. What is this? Dissolved. Oh, that Estee Edit makeup remover cleanser. I prefer to use makeup wipes for real, so I don't even see myself really using this. So I think I'm gonna toss it. And then this is that Garnier Skin Perfection Medium Deep Cream, which was way too light. I really had to like mix stuff in with this for it to even work. So I don't know. Should I toss this? It is like a full tube though. We're getting to the bottom here. This is definitely getting tossed. All these little Wet n Wild mascaras, no. Sugar. Oh my God. I've been looking for this. Yes, because I had ran out of my other sample. And then this is for hair. So again, that's going to be going with the hair stuff, because we're going to get a whole little section just for hair. And what is this? Victoria's Secret perfume samples that I do not use, so they're getting trashed because I don't use them. And then more Band-Aids. What is up with me and Band-Aids? But these are good Band-Aids, and you never know when you'll need one, so I will be putting those in my medicine cabinet. And then this little, oh, this is almost like a thin, I could use this to put on eyeliner. Okay, so we are empty here with this one, except for this wrench. Obviously, we are not going to be keeping this in here. So, yes, that is it for part 2. And then part 3, we shall be doing, part 3, we will, I don't know. I'm going to figure out what I want to do in part 3. I'm going to have to decide what order I want to do this in, but I may do the perfume in part 3, but I don't really have much to declutter. I just more so just want to organize it. So, all right, thanks for tuning in.